The Center for E-Design is a center that's funded by the National Science Foundation. It's an industry university cooperative research center. And what that means is that it's a consortium with the members. So we have multiple universities in this case, as well as members, and we work on the problems that are of interest to our members. So the Center for E-Design has actually been around for quite a while. In its earliest planning stages, we started with some national meetings where we brought companies and universities together to talk about what the challenges were associated with the design and realization of products and systems. It was in 2002 when we had our first planning meeting, and the grant was made by the National Science Foundation in 2003.
I became involved with the center shortly after Janice came to Penn State. She's obviously very involved. Got a group of researchers together and we started talking about research projects and how Penn State could become a site within the overall center. So she got us together, and I really liked the mission, and I felt Penn State is a very good fit into that center. So I continued on, and here I am.
It's amazing to me at Penn State, and I notice this more and more in all the really cool news that comes about, of how inspired our students are to really have impact in the local community and in the world as a whole. And they'll take on design projects that are very human-centered and might revolve around, the fabrication or the manufacture of products, etc. But they do this on the side, and they do it through clubs, and they do it in very heartfelt ways. So for me personally, the most rewarding part of working with the center has been to really make that bridge between practice and research, bringing industry and universities together, and really hoping to educate and prepare the next generation of students who are ever more capable of bridging those worlds themselves, providing the real problems that help to inspire the work that they do and provide context to the learning that they have in the classroom.